Hi there. Are you concerned on how to pay off those troubling student loans, or maybe your credit card loans, or maybe you just need an extra income to supplement what you currently earn? Are you on mat leave and you're wondering, where am I going to get the extra fund to be able to pay for my child's daycare? This could be a good news for you. My name is Glory and I am a digital entrepreneur. Some time back, I made a video like this explaining about the digital business that I currently run. And I know someone like you must have seen that video. In case you saw that video and you're wondering, how did I get to know? There is automation of operations built into my digital business system that allows me to track on a daily basis, weekly basis, or even monthly basis the leads that come in through my website, how many people watch my webinars, so that I will be able to reach back to them and be able to track the progress and the achievements of my business. Isn't that wonderful? That is the same offer that I'm offering you today. In case you have watched my webinar and you have not taken that much needed step to access the info pack that explains the company structure and how you can grow in this business, I will encourage you to do so. Perhaps you have some questions that you need answers to. I will encourage you to connect with me either on Facebook or send me an email at info@glorysharp.com. Because recently, one of my clients got back to me and he said he wanted to see the face that is attached to the voice that he saw in that video. We had a video chat and he asked his questions, I gave him answers, and today he plugged into that system and he is on the trajectory to achieving all his financial goals. This could be a fit for you. In case you're wondering what this business is all about, all you need is your phone and a laptop and a very good internet connection. You can operate the business from anywhere in the world. It has no cold calling. You don't have to do any door knocking. The system gives you all that built-in operation that allows you to do just the barest minimum while the system does all the heavy lifting for you. Amazing, isn't that? For you to have full access to this information, I will encourage you to please click on the Learn More button and access my info session at www.glorysharp.com. Enter in with your name and email address, and please check your promotional box or your junk mail if you don't see that my email in your inbox. Access that link, ask me questions, connect me, and let me walk you through step-by-step process. Just like I receive guide from my mentor and my coach, which is one of the benefits also of this business, I will give you that mentoring step-by-step guide showing you how you can operate safely on the internet, because a lot of people are actually skeptical about the online world. So you need someone to guide you through. I will be that someone, teaching you on how you can be a success, just like over 70,000 of us in this business have become successful. I will look forward to hearing from you. For now, I'll say bye.